I like this one. Please, brother in Islam, can you please tell the community to unite for the sake of Allah and love each other, not backbite each other? So the dua will be strong, the da'wah will be strong and Islam dominate. Brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. My greatest desire right now, and Allah knows best, is to help to unite the Muslim Ummah in this country. Alhamdulillah, Dr. Yunus and myself, and other brothers were at my house recently in New York, talking about that, just that very purpose of the Muslims coming together. In the introduction, the brother mentioned that right now we're working on a leadership summit of the Muslim leaders in North America to come together sometime maybe in June in New York City for the purposes of coming together. Brothers and sisters, we have to do it. We have to take egos and put them aside. I'm telling you, I will sit down as an imam today for the good of the ummah and to bring this ummah together. And I'm hoping that it will be something of substance. We go to conference after conference, and the title is وَأَعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold on all together by the rope of Allah and be not divided. But yet we do nothing concretely to bring that unity about. We want to do that, inshallah. So please, brothers and sisters, fight hard to try to bring about this unity. Yes, there's differences of opinion. And can I ask you a question? I want you to tell me, and just say it out loud, just shout it out. Name two great Sahaba. Call it out. Everybody. 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 Consensus, Abu Bakr and Umar. A lot of people said that. Abu Bakr and Umar, two great caliphs. Many great Sahaba. Ali, Uthman, many ones. But usually people, they say Umar and they say Abu Bakr. Listen, one of the Sahaba asked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Rasulullah, ayun nas ahabba ilayk? Who do you love more than anybody? Who did he say? Who did he say? Who did he say? Who did he say? Aisha. He said Aisha. Who said that? Allah Akbar. He said Aisha. Then the man said, Mina rijal, among men. He said, Abuha, her father. Thumma man, Thumma Umar ibn Khattab. He said, then Abu Bakr and then Umar. Abu Bakr and Umar were two of the great respected Sahaba. And guess what? No one could disagree, no one could argue. Their character, immaculate. True? Their character is immaculate. True? True. But their personality was as different as night and day. Different personality, different opinions about different things. So brothers and sisters, we have to, there's room, and Islam is deep, don't make it narrow. There's room for legitimate differences. Let's try to find those legitimate differences within the realm of Sharia, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, listen, I'm going. I know there's a few more questions, but I'm going because you got to go to work tomorrow and you got to go to school.